welcome to Relax Garden. Herb. If you've ever wished your small backyard could look like one of those dreamy Pinterest gardens, but without spending a fortune, then you're in the perfect place. Today's video is all about easy DIY small backyard makeover ideas that cost under $200 in 2025. We're diving into the latest 2025 garden trends. Everything from vertical gardening systems to budget-friendly fire pits and clever storage ideas. These aren't just quick fixes. They're smart design solutions to help you transform your small backyard, balcony, or patio into a relaxing and stylish outdoor escape. Imagine sipping your morning coffee surrounded by greenery, cozy seating, and warm lighting, all created with simple, affordable materials. Sounds amazing, right? So before we begin, take a second to like this video, subscribe to Relax Garden, and comment below what kind of backyard you dream of, cozy and rustic, or modern and minimalist. We'd love to hear from you. In this video, you'll discover how to design smart layouts, use container gardening to save space, and add stylish touches under $200 that make your space look like a professional makeover. Whether you live in a small home, an apartment, or just want to upgrade your patio, these DIY garden ideas are perfect for 2025's modern living style. Let's jump right in and start creating your dream garden, one simple, budget-friendly step at a time. Let's begin with one of the most exciting trends this year, the budget-friendly fire pit DIY. Fire. For under $50, you can build a small fire pit using concrete blocks, a metal bowl, or even old bricks. Add gravel underneath for safety and surround it with fairy lights or lanterns. This not only adds warmth and charm, but turns your small backyard into a cozy hangout spot for evenings. Next, vertical gardening systems, a must-have in 2025. When you're short on space, think upward. Use your walls or fences to hang planters, wooden pallets, or metal racks. You can grow herbs, flowers, and succulents vertically, adding both beauty and texture. Then comes multifunctional space design. Don't limit your backyard to just one purpose. Use folding tables, compact chairs, and soft cushions to create a dual space, perfect for morning relaxation or weekend BBQs. The key is flexibility. Your garden should adjust to your lifestyle. And here's one of the most beautiful parts: 2025's hottest plant combinations. Mix lavender, rosemary, and ornamental grasses for color, fragrance, and a modern look that's super low maintenance. They're hardy, drought-resistant, and ideal for Pakistan's weather or warm climates worldwide. Blossom. Lastly, don't forget about smart storage solutions. Benches with hidden storage, wall-mounted racks, or stack crates can help you organize tools and pots neatly while keeping the space clutter-free. It's all about designing a garden that looks expensive but stays practical and affordable. By using these DIY garden hacks, you'll be amazed how much transformation is possible, even in a small area and on a tight budget. There you have it. Your complete guide to creating a stunning small backyard makeover for under $200. Cherry Blossom. We hope this inspired you to look at your outdoor space differently, not as limited, but full of possibilities. You don't need thousands of dollars or a professional designer to make something beautiful. Just creativity, a weekend of effort, and a few smart ideas. If you love these DIY garden ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Relax Garden, and hit the icon bell so you never miss out on our weekly garden inspiration. Tell us in the comments, which of these trends will you try first? The cozy fire pit corner vertical garden wall, or maybe a full backyard transformation? Your feedback helps us create more ideas that match your dream garden style. And remember, your outdoor space, no matter how small, deserves love, care, and creativity. Every plant, every corner, and every light you add turns it into a reflection of peace and personality. Tulip, thank you so much for watching Relax Garden. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and keep relaxing in your beautiful garden oasis. Herb Sparkles.